So at ISE 2024, we've got a lot of video conferencing solutions. This is a video window. This is a slightly different take. Why don't you, Daryl, introduce yourself, and what company is Video Window?
So hi, I'm Daryl Hutchings. Video Window basically is the world's first always-on video conferencing portal. So something quite different to traditional meeting services.
So this is a standalone system. It's not Zoom or Microsoft or whatever.
Correct,
it's standalone.
Yeah, using our own stuff.
And it's the video portal concept.
Yeah. So as you can see behind us here, there's basically the concept is how can we create an extension of physical space between offices and have an always-on solution, and then also involve remote users into that scenario as well who want to feel connected to the physical space.
All right, well, let's take a look. Okay, so this is a standard display. Is it a touchscreen?
Yes, yep. So it needs a touchscreen, a computer, and then a USB-based webcam, speaker, microphone.
And you've got a camera on top. Could that be like a room bar or something?
Yeah, so we're open standards for PC, Mac, Linux. We do support Room OS from Cisco as well, so yeah, it could be a Cisco room bar.
And these people, they're just the other side of the booth over there.
Yep. Yeah, so we're just doing an example of a one-to-one connection between here and the other side of the booth.
And there's a hidden PC somewhere?
Yeah, we've got an Intel NUC behind the display.
Okay, that's running your software, Video Window software.
Yeah, Video Window.
And so how do you use this?
So basically on the admin portal you define the hours of the day and days of the week that you want the device on and connected. Most customers do 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday to Friday, for example, and it completely automates those connections. But once it's set up, it's completely automatic. That's the beauty of this service versus trying to do this with a traditional meeting service. So, and as you can see,
isn't it noisy? You would hear people talking all the time?
Yeah, so that's the beauty of it actually, is that even though the video feeds are on for the duration of the day, the audio is actually off by default. And the reason we did that is to avoid that background noise scenario or accidental conversations being heard across sites, which we don't want.
So you hit that join audio button?
Yeah, so you click join audio on this side and then that activates the audio this side. It has a timer that's associated to it in case people accidentally forget to turn it off. You'll notice that the audio is not on the other side yet, but we can either choose to manually join their side or they can join in as well if they want. And the reason we do that is so that when it is a multi-site call, only the devices that have joined the audio can hear each other. So again, it stops that audio spilling into the spaces that you don't want to hear the conversation you're having right now.
And there was a knock feature I saw.
Yeah. So you can either tap directly on the screen and it makes a knocking noise, or there's a knock button and that does 3 in a row. But yeah, it makes a knocking noise on the local device, but also knocks through to the far side. So you have this really interesting way to interact with someone. Even if the audio is off, they will still hear that knock noise.
And there's, obviously you can use any size screen you want.
Yep.
And you've actually got some pretty creative use cases in your tablet. Can you show us that? Okay, so here on the tablet, what are you showing us here?
So yeah, this is an example of a multi-site call on office device scenarios. So you have multiple videos going at the same time, and also remote users connected in as well. So this is the kind of traditional use case of what Video Window is used for.
So these are all different live sites, and you just pick a person to join to make it active with that person.
Yeah, exactly right. And again, audio is off by default on all sites, and then you can choose to manually select them, and then they'll temporarily show on the screen for 1 minute. And then obviously when people do join the audio, then they start to fill the screen as you'd expect on the kind of traditional tile view. But only the devices that have joined the audio you'll see on the screen.
Okay, other use cases?
So yeah, we have a really interesting artwork that uses our platform. So it's called Portals. So currently it's in Lithuania and Poland. And it's this always-on portal between the two cities. So really interesting use case.
This is using your software.
Yeah, with our software. So we it's their project, but our software, and it's all about kind of improving the human connection, which is a subject we're very passionate about. But yeah, currently in those two cities, and then there's going to be 3 more cities that are going to be announced in the very near future in Europe, North America, and also South America. So we're very excited to be publicly announcing those soon.
Very nice. All right. Well, thank you.